The urban environment is usually more polluted. It's usually warmer, both day and night, and usually it has less winds, although the winds it has are very swirly. So it's a different kind of place to live. Historically, if you look at the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, urban environments were so polluted with so many germs that they were places of shorter life expectancy. That's not true today. In general, the cities actually have the most long-lived populations, even in spite of some of these challenges you see on this map here. Although certain groups that are more exposed to the air pollution, especially folks living in poorer areas of town, and there's definitely a race and kind of social class dimension of that, are more likely to be negatively impacted by that air pollution. But this um, diagram here, together with the next slide, which looks at the urban heat island and its kind of larger context, shows us that the warmest places are in that built area downtown. And then there's the suburbs, kind of intermediate in temperature. The rural areas are cool, and even cooler than the rural areas are somewhat rural areas, but where there's large bodies of water, such as rivers. So you get a big difference there. The urban heat island effect is most pronounced typically in the winter and typically at night, um, in cities. And you can drive to Portland from the Mid Willamette Valley and see the difference. It's usually a few degrees.